which we have, that is like the connectivity. Now, why we use this IoT and what actually it is providing? Sometimes it seems to very mysterious also. Why? Because Internet of Things is not one word. Every technology can, like different technologies, whichever language you can use it in the implementations. Okay, you can use it in the implementations of it. Then Python also you can use, C also you can use, C++ you can use, Java you can use, JavaScript you can use. So you can use different devices. You can use Arduino also. You can use Boat IoT. You can use Raspberry Pi. See, so there are different stuff which can be handled with the help of it, and like which we can use in the implementations of that, the IoT. So simply different devices we can connect, and we can see. I told you that different technologies like Python, Java, script, and all we can use. We can use any of the devices, the microprocessors kind of, and the cloud is also involved there. So there are so many things which are involved into it. Then the data exchange, so continuous data collection and the sharing between the devices is there, and that is possible just because of the cloud computing concepts which are lying behind the Internet of Things. Because ultimately your data will be getting stored on the cloud when you are making some big application. Big means good application. Then the automation, so enables automation for processes and tasks through smart interactions. Okay, the smart interactions are there, direct interactions are there.